Tonight we're bringing you some speedy scares here at the Mansfield Speedway. This is a brand new haunt for this season and they're calling it the Haunted Speedway Nights. You can see they've got the beginnings of an awesome midway out here and they're telling us it's going to be absolutely packed with all kinds of stuff next year. The haunt itself takes place under the grandstands. They've even got some full-size race cars in there and it's actually kind of Speedway themes, which is really cool and unique. And the best part is we're going to take you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Oh God. Uh-oh, mid-season championship. That's good. Oh, I don't trust these. Go, 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 it says. Ooh. Go, go, go. Oh, that one was loud. Oh, gee. Whoa. That was cool. I think they're zombified. Okay. Ah, no.
Made him mad?
I did not. I think they're zombified. No, no. What? Okay, is that real? Surely not in that position.
I hope it's not.
Oh, that's just a wall. Oh. Oh gosh. What's on the floor? Oh,
somebody's had a bad day at the office.
Yep. Uh-oh. Wow. That's what happened. Oh, there's somebody.
Even filing cabinets.
So much paper. That was what happened there? Oh God. No, 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 no.
I think he might have been involved in an accident. Maybe he can't see. Nope, he can see us. He can see us.
I hear the car. Oh, that's so nasty. Okay.
He's stalking us.
Still following us.
We don't need any. We don't need any. We don't need any jet fuel.
Oh crap. I don't like this. I don't trust it.
We don't know how to work on cars.
Oh, what in the heck is that?
Come on, minus.
Oh! He's stuck in the car. The zombies are coming at us from the car.
Evil zombie mechanics.
Whoa! Okay. Ooh, that's a good double tap. Holy crap! Triple tap.
Oh God.
I don't like it. No. Uh-oh.
We came through the wall.
They're literally trying to run us over.
For race car drivers, they sure don't know how to drive.
Oh, God.
He followed us all the way over here.
Uh-oh. Oh my God, that truck is cool. He's still following you.
Still stalking us.
Tyler, that don't look good.
Oh, they didn't make it.
Somebody didn't. Oh no.
We got an extra building to go into.
Yeah, this don't look safe. Right above my head.
Oh, he's coming out. He's coming out. He's coming out.
Woo!
Oh God.
Holy crap! Oh.
Think he likes the way you smell.
I want you to stay.
No. Oh my God. Oh no, I'm gonna escape. I got run over here. No! Still following me? No, 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 no. I'm good, I'm good. What is that?
Still behind you.
No, I don't like that.
Oh,
You ran into you?
oh God.
Oh.
Oh,
No, no, no. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Oh my God. Oh yeah. God. No, no. Oh my God. I want to stay. You guys are trying to kill us. You are every. Oh. Now you're up.
back here. No, stay with us.
I am good.
What?
Thanks for the offer.
We don't know how to drive. We're not good. No. He was going to try to feed us in the concession stand.
I think they're going to feed us, use us for zombie food.
Yep, yep.
This way. Not near you. No. I don't know, Tyler. Oh my goodness. missed it. Hey. Hi there.
Oh no.
I don't know if she's dead or alive, but her throat slit.
Oh no.
Oh my God. Yeah, you just stay over there. Uh-oh, I hear something really weird over there. Oh, they're still laughing. I hear you.
It's funny.
She does.
She thinks it's funny.
Uh-oh.
He's
See?
alive.
There's no way to know with all these slats who's real or not.
See? He's staring at us over there. Feel like we're walking into a trap.
These guys ain't got no meat left on them. Oh, crap. Ugh. Ew.
I'm gonna rip you apart!
No.
I'm gonna rip you apart!
No ripping. No ripping of nothing. No ripping. Where'd he go? He disappeared.
We gone.
Oh, he's right there. Okay. Schizo. No.
Yes, I'm gonna rip you! I'm gonna rip you off!
No.
I'm gonna rip you off!
I would rather you not.
No!
God, no.
No ripping.
Oh, crap. Why is there a cloud with a chainsaw? Oh, my God. He
double
literally
C.
a double C on a S stilts. Have you ever seen that before?
I don't think so.
Oh, my God.
Oh my. So holy crap guys, that was a ton of fun. Did not expect all that stuff to be underneath of those bleachers. And this is the very first year for the Speedway, so they told us they had just had a limited amount of time to set all this up. They told us about their plans for next year, and like, holy crap guys, this is not a place that you want to miss out on if you're down here in the Mansfield, Ohio area. Lots of scares, lots of surprises, had a few things in there we'd never seen before. Do not sleep on the haunted Speedway nights here at the Mansfield Speedway. If you enjoyed that one, you're not going to want to miss the next video. I've got it linked for you right here. We'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.